Prior to E-Team, I was laid off from 4 different jobs and about to move to Rhode Island. I'm now part of the board of directors for E-Team. I've been able to buy a house, I've been able to buy a nice car, have a family.
We have people that are running companies now that actually are making 6 figures.
It's not just about getting someone a good job, it's about getting someone set up to make a bigger impact in the rest of their life.
The manufacturing boom is starting to happen, and a lot of states should be starting training programs like ours.
I was kind of in the middle of deciding if I wanted to go back for a master's degree, and this opportunity came, and I'm ecstatic that I took it. To see that you can actually make something out of like nothing, and the possibilities of making things is endless.
I've liked pretty much every second that I've been here. The program is proctored in a way, no matter where you are on the scale of knowledge, to teach you everything you need to know to succeed in this career.
I was terrible at math, and by the time I was done with it, I could do the algebra and stuff that I couldn't do in high school.
I was a little nervous. I am a little bit older and I'm a female, and manufacturing usually is a male-dominated field, but we all felt at home, and right along with the team.
You don't leave nobody behind. So if we're all in the same group, we're all gonna help each other, we're all gonna be hands-on.
There's many avenues, and it's an exciting job. I had somebody tell me just the other day, this is awesome, this is great, I love this. And we get a lot of that.
And if you've seen some of the E-Teamers that came through here, they were working in low-paying jobs with no hope in sight. They went through this program and now they're making a living wage.
Improved my life significantly. Like before, I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna do, and now it's like, yeah, now I have a savings account, so that's really nice.
We have a career prep section to our program that teaches them how to do a job search, how to do a resume. We have someone that volunteers their time as a former investment banker, comes in, teaches them the power of compound interest and how to plan for their future, and all the way up to retirement.
Graduating E-Team and going straight into a career job, that was a big change because I always worked jobs where nothing was like guaranteed. You could work for a company forever and get laid off. And now to know that I have a job whereas I could be there for the rest of my life, it's a change.
You can be who you want to be, and you can be anything in this trade. There are literally 100 different jobs related to advanced manufacturing.
And the stories are the same for everybody. People who had limited opportunities in their life now have open doors to wherever they want to go.